All right, so here's the problem that will help you with your workbook tonight. So let's say the story problem said Mrs. Mahoney had 40 pennies in her piggy bank. She gave 19 to Mrs. Jones. How many pennies does Mrs. Mahoney have left? So I need to figure out how many pennies I have left. This is what I had. This is what I gave to Mrs. Jones. And I can solve it using any of my strategies. I see 40 and I can draw that in tens and ones, or I could do a number line. I'll start with a number line. So here's a number line. And since it's going backwards, I'm going to want to put 40 on this end so I can count backwards. Now 19 is a big number. I don't want to count 19 ones, but I'm going to do a 10 and a 9 because I can do that. So I'm going to jump 40. I'm going to jump back one big 10 minus 10. And when I count by tens, I know 40 take away 10 would be 30. Now I have to jump back 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. I still had to count a lot of ones, but not as many. So I got 21. I'm going to double check that answer with some of my other strategies. I could draw 40, and as I decompose to 10 and 9, I could subtract 10 and get 30. And now I have 30, and I can subtract 9 to get, well, I know I can count backwards in my head. 30 minus 9 is 21, because I know 9 and 1 make a 10. So that's one way to do it. I could have gone to 19 and counted on 19 plus 1 equals 20. And now I'm at 20 plus 10 equals 30. That was a 10 I used. 30 plus 10 more equals 40. There's another 10 I used. So what did I use? 10, 20, 21. That's another way to look at it if you like to count on. I could have drawn 40, 10, 20, 30, 40, and crossed out 19. Well, here's 10. I got to cross out 9 more. I know this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I cross out all of them but 1. I have this 1 left over, so I have 10, 20, 21. 21. There's a whole bunch of strategies you're going to get really good at, but I have 21 cents left. All right, the next style problem is Mrs. Mahoney and Mrs. Jones were collecting shells. Mrs. Mahoney found 13 shells. Mrs. Jones found 15 shells. How many shells did we find altogether? I have different ways. I can put it on a number line. I'll start at the bigger number, 15, and I'm going to jump 13. So 13 is a 10 and a 3 to make my jumps easier. 15 plus 10 is 25, and then 3 more. 1, 2, 3, 26, 27, 28. So we got 28 shells. I could keep going with my decomposing. If I can decompose Mrs. Jones 10 and 5, now I have 10 and 10. 10 plus 10 equals 20. And 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 equals 8. 20 plus 8 equals 28. That would work. So there's a lot of different strategies versus just counting by ones. I could take 15 and 13 decomposed into a 10 and a 3. 15 plus 10 is 25. And 25 plus 3 is 26, 27, 28. So there's another way to do it. So many strategies you can use. So pick which one you like and you feel confident with and run with it.